Hello students, this is next topic from module 3. Okay, Bernoulli's trial. Any trial of a random experiment is called a Bernoulli trial. Okay, any trial if it satisfies the following condition. Okay, what all condition it should satisfy? Let us see. A trial should be finite. Okay, suppose I'll take one example. Suppose a coin is tossed 3 times. Okay, you are tossing a coin how many times? 3 times. It means the trial is here a finite. So you can take it as n equal to 3. So first condition is satisfied. Now second one, trial should be independent. When you toss a coin, you may get head or tail. Okay, it means they are independent. There is only 2 outcomes. Outcomes are success and failure. When you toss a coin first time, so you may get head. If you take head, it as success. Then when you toss a coin second time, you may get tail. So maybe success you get or fail. Only 2 outcomes. Okay, in this it is you may get head or you may get tail when you toss a coin 3 times. The probability of success in each trial is same. Now this is very important. Suppose if you denote P as a probability of success in trial, so Q is probability of failure in trial. I'll explain this. When you toss a coin, okay, what is the probability of getting a head? So that is equal to 1/2, right? So that we can take it as a success. So failure you can take it as Q. How to get this failure of probability? That is 1 minus P. That is equal to again 1/2. So this is the probability of getting a success in each trial, and it is same. Getting success is also same, getting failure also same. Now suppose we wish to know the probability of getting 2 heads. Okay, it means if we want to know the probability of getting here 2 heads as a success in how many trials? 3 trials. Then using the Bernoulli's trial formula, you can find out the probability of getting 2 heads. Okay, the formula is like this. P of x is equal to NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. Here n is number of trial which is finite here, right? X means getting 2 heads. So here that is equal to 2. What is P? Probability of getting a head in each trial. That is 1/2. Okay. Now again x is getting a success which is 2 heads. Q is what? That is failure. Probability of getting a failure in each trial. And n minus x means number of trial minus getting a 2 head, that is minus 2. So this is the Bernoulli's trial formula. Okay, this is also known as a binomial theorem because this is the expansion of binomial theorem. Okay, so let us see one example on this. When a coin is tossed 4 times, find the probability of getting exactly 1 head. Second one, at most 3 heads, at least 2 heads. Okay. First of all, this is a finite trial? We have to see. Right. Yes, it is a finite. N is equal to, you are tossing a coin how many times? 4 times, right? So that is n is equal to 4. Okay, so now what is the probability of getting success? If you are taking head as a success, probability of getting success in each trial is 1/2, and getting a failure is 1 minus P, 1 minus 1/2, that is equal to also 1/2. probability of getting success in each trial is same, right? Now we know that probability of X success out of n trial you can find out by Bernoulli's trial. P of x is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Very important formula. Now they asked to find exactly one head, right? Probability of getting one head. Here one head means n is 4. Okay, 4c1. X means getting one head. So P is probability of getting a success in each trial is 1 by 2 raised to what? X 1. And Q is also 1 by 2 raised to 4 minus 1, getting one head, right? So you can simplify now. 1 by 2 raised to 1 is 1 by 2. 4c1 value is 4. And this is 1 by 8, that is equal to 0.25. So this way you have to find the probability of getting a success out of n trials. Okay, now they asked to find at most 3 heads. At most 3 heads mean less than or equal to 3. Okay, getting x is equal to 0 plus 1 and 2 and 3. So you can use again this formula and find out. Okay, so here 4c0 trial is same 4. Okay, and p is also 1 by 2 same, but here x is equal to 0 trial, so raised to 0. Okay, and then q is 1 by 2 same, n minus x means raised to 4, plus for this x equal to 1 success 4c1 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2 whole cube, right? According to this formula you can go on substituting. Okay, you will get the answer 0.9375. Okay, now similarly at least 2 heads or more than 2 heads. Okay, for that formula is like this. 1 minus 2 heads means I have taken as x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1. Okay, so that is equal to 1 minus, you can find out x equal to 0. Okay, x equal to 0, what we got here, that is 4c0. Okay, 4c0 value is 1. Okay, so this 1 by 2 whole raised to 0 is 1. Okay, and 1 by 2 whole raised to 4 is, how much it became, this is 1 by 2 whole raised to 4, plus p of x is equal to 1. X equal to 1 means this you can substitute. 4c1 value is what? 4c1. Okay, then p is 1 by 2 whole raised to 1. Okay, then 1 by 2 whole raised to n minus x. N minus x means 4 minus 3. Sorry, 1, that is equal to 3. You can simplify now. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 whole raised to 4. That is 1 by 16. 4c1 value is what? 4 into 1 by 2, and this is 1 by 8. Okay, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. You can simplify, you will get the answer 1 minus 1 by 16 plus this is 1 by 4. Okay, get the answer.